So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create contact forms in BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is open up your BigCommerce account. From there you can see home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, and settings. Now in order to get to contact forms, you will first need to go to storefront and open up this drop down menu. You can see themes, theme marketplace, logo, homepage carousel, script manager, web pages, and so on. So click on web pages. So through here, you can see shipping and returns. So that's a normal page. And you can see an action you can take with that. You can see a contact us page, and you can see the contact form as well as if it's visible, and you can see a built-in block. If this contact us page isn't appearing, you can just go ahead and click create a page, and you can see contain control content created, allow people to send questions, a link to another website or document, web page details, navigation menu. So you can see the contact us option, and you can see the page title and description, so you can even create it through there. So let's go back to a page since it's already here, and you can click on this, and then after that edit. From there you can also see the content is going to be on that page. It says we're happy to answer questions or help you with returns. Please fill out the form below if you need assistance. So it's gonna give you some of the options so you can just set up your own contact form on there, but that will be that page on here. You can also check it and uncheck it through there, but that would be the contact form page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.